Hey viewers, welcome to this platform. This information is for all music artists. If you're a rising star, then we got good news for you. So recently, I've got a lot of artists dashing into my DM and asking us to assist them in their career. Knowing fully well that Elegant Empire is saddled with the responsibility to help upcoming artists grow and achieve their career goals, these artists see Elegant Empire as a stepping stone to actually grow their career. Alright, so if you're watching me right now and you are one of those people who has been on our DM asking for help, the opportunity is now. And if you're watching me all over the country and you have not actually known Elegant Empire, this is your first time to know Elegant Empire music, then this is one of the fastest growing media and entertainment company saddled with the responsibility to help upcoming artists grow. So this is the information. We have a 5-star offer for you as a rising star. Alright, so the first one is we are giving you access to record your singles, your EP and your album with us. And the second one is get those recorded items distributed and monetized for you. And the third one is promotion of all your contents. And the fourth one is video shoot for your best tracks. And the fifth one, which is very important, is link up for shows and performances all across the country. So what are you waiting for? Are you a rising artist and you need a management company that can help you grow as an artist? This is the best platform for you. You can achieve everything you want for your career all in one spot here at the Elegant Empire Music. So how do you get signed up for this offer? Simply drop us a DM on WhatsApp with the number displayed right now on your screen, pay a little sign-up fee, get registered, and that's all. You're going to be on your way to achieving all of these things we have listed for free of charge. I know you don't want to miss out on this. So waste no time because we have a limited number of slots and just for a few lucky artists to come up now and get this offer. So I will be happy to have you right here at the Elegant Empire office. See you when you come around. Peace out.